This is a little girl. This is Amber. She's gonna be brindled, and she is something else. She is just full of energy. She loves to wander around. She wants to come out of the pen when I open it. And she is a cutie. She's got a, here, come here. She's got a nice round head and a very short nose. You see the brindling in her? She is going to be really stunning looking. And this is Boomer. Now Boomer, he is a ball of fire. He's smart. He wants to get around. He wants to run. He thinks he can run already. In the pen with Mama, he runs around, and it just drives Mama crazy because he is so fast. He's really chubby, stocky. He's got white markings on his chest, and he's got a little brindle, but he's really black colored. He's really black looking. And this little one is Ellie Mae. She's getting honey pied colors on this side, on her ears, on this ear. She's getting a couple little ones on her back. She is the most petite of the litter, but she's got nice markings that are coming out, and I'm sure there'll be more.
I got Mia and put her on a leash. Here, Mia.
Hey. Here, look at your babies. There's your babies. Oh. There. Yeah, that's your babies. Yeah, they're there. Oh, look at him. Amber's gonna probably look like Mia a lot. She's got that pretty brindling, a nice short, stocky. Of course, Mia looks thin now because of the puppies she's feeding, but she's got really nice conformation. Yeah, there's your mama. Yeah. There's mama. Is this making you nervous, Mia? Here. Oh, look. They're hungry, Mia. They want to eat. Yeah, they want to eat a little bit. Yeah, come here, Kelly. Come here, Amber. Hey, Bumper. Boomer. Look at Boomer. He's like, I know where Mama is. I said, he is a smart one. He just figures things out. Good girl. A good mama. Yeah. Good mama. Yes, you are. Babies are hungry. Yeah. Hungry babies. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, that's a good girl. Yeah, look at those babies. They're wanting hungry, aren't they? They're hungry. Come on, Bumper. And Callie. Do you see Callie over here? She's upside down drinking.
Yeah, I can see her for a little bit.
She's got it going on.
Bumper, we got.
Bumper got here. You want to lay down? Here, come here. Lay down. Here, lay down. You lay down. Here. Here, come here. This is hard to get you laid down.